What's up guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how to use or access the Gemini, right, which is formerly known as Google Bard. You just want to simply open up any browser you have. Currently I'm using Google Chrome, so I'm going to simply open up the Google Chrome, and you can simply type Gemini, or you can simply type Google Bard, whatever. So let's try Google Bard, right? And if you type the Google Bard within the Google, you will find a bunch of search results, which will also show you that you can access the Gemini. So as you look here in the second result here, you see that you have gemini.google.com. So if you click on that, guys, and this will take you right into the interface here, guys. So let me go ahead and click, and it is telling you right here that Bard is now Gemini, right? So you got the idea. So you are being greeted with the information that it is now changed, right? The best way to use artificial intelligence from Google, right? So very interesting here. So just go ahead and click done, or click on the X here to close it, and you can have a look at the new design, right? So here you can see that you can basically type whatever you want. You can simply ask whatever question you want there. As you can see here, you have story, advertising, slogans, text message, story strip. There's some of the basic information here that you will get within the interface of a chatbot or AI chatbot, right? So on the left hand side, guys, you have the expand. So you can expand the menus right here. You can see your new chat. You can do like a new chat, and you can see like recent chats that you have. So in order to find the release notes, guys, all you have to do is just simply click on help, and you can simply click on update. So you have a bunch of options here. You have updates, right? You can go ahead and you can open that. You have frequently asked questions, and you also have about Gemini Advanced. So if you click on these things, you have the release notes. So basically that will tell you all information about the updates here. You can go through it and read through it, and you also have information here about the Gemini Advanced. As you see, guys, it is not free, right? But as you see here, you can try it for 2 months for free. Yeah, basically get access to Google most capable AI model with Ultra 1.0 there. So you can do quite a lot. So here's the free version here, and this is the advanced. As you can see, guys, the Gemini Advanced in my currency is about 550 Czech crown, right? So in US, that's gonna be around 24 or 23 US dollars if I'm correct. So somewhere there about. But you see the capability of it, guys, with Ultra 1.0 model, our most capable AI model, right? State-of-the-art performance designed for high complex tasking, right? And it's available in Gmail, Google Docs, and much more. So you can utilize the power of this AI within any one of Google applications, right? So very useful stuff here. You can come down here, you can read more as well, so you can see a lot, right? Very important stuff there. So let's go back here to the Gemini, guys. Here you can find the activities. On the left side, you can also go to settings as well, and you can enable dark mode. So currently I'm using a dark mode. If I click on that, it moves to light mode, but I'm a fan of the dark mode, so I'm going to stick with the dark mode. And as well, you have real-time answers. It is currently on. So if you have real-time answers, so if you enable real-time answers, the answers will be displayed in real time, right? Answers will be displayed within real time. So you want to use that. So I'm currently using that, so that's very useful. But there you have it, guys, the look and feel of the new Gemini. I really like it. Very useful, very simple, and yeah, very refreshing. And to use it, guys, all you have to do is just simply put whatever question you want. So I'm going to simply ask it, what is Gemini? All I have to do is just write my question there and allow it to search and give me the answer. And here you have it. It is giving me the answers to what I asked. So very useful stuff here, guys. And as you see on the left hand side, it basically had it under my recent. I can always go there to access it whenever I want. And of course, you can always pin it, rename it, and delete it. Yeah, you can also search using uploading image, guys. So you can utilize this by uploading an image. You got it there. Just simply go ahead, choose your understanding. You can simply add an image to it. So if you click on any image here, you can insert it. Let's do that, for example, and I can just say, what image is this? Simply hit enter, and here it is giving you some information about the image. So you get just a simple idea of what you can do, guys. So very interesting stuff. You can utilize this to do so much. You can also use the microphone to search. So if you have a mic, you can just simply click on this and you can speak to it Very easy, very simple. You can also utilize the picture option, or you can just basically type using text. So very interesting stuff, guys. Really like the refreshing look and the refreshing design to Gemini. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.